Hi there, students. Stature. Stature. This is a noun, both countable and uncountable. So, firstly, it's your height. It's your natural height when standing up. The stature of an animal is its height when standing up as well. So, he was a man of enormous stature and had to bend his head when going through doorways. Okay, so stature, it means height, how tall somebody is, their absolute height. She is very small in stature. Models who model clothes are generally tall of stature. Stature. Both her parents are fairly small in stature, and so is she. But this word goes further than just height. Stature refers to respect, to social standing. It's related to your achievement or your development, your good reputation. So a person or an organization has a reputation based on their ability. So he's a musician of great stature. Literally, he's very tall, but he's one of the great musicians. His stature as a novelist was tremendous. So it's saying that this is somebody who has a really good reputation, that people view them very well. It's a shame that there are so few politicians of stature in the world that we live in. This university is gaining in stature every year, and if it continues to gain in stature, it will get the financial support that it needs. So reputation, credibility, to be famous for something. So stature, the height of people. His red hair and tall stature made him easy to recognize. And then he's an artist of great stature within the community, with a reputation, with importance, because they have good qualities. So I think as I get more and more subscribers in YouTube, my stature as a teacher grows. He was an architect of great importance, of great reputation, gained by his achievements. An architect of international stature, reputation, repute, standing, status, prestige, position. So he has great stature in the world of universities. During his time at the university, he gained in stature and in confidence. It's a long time since this city has hosted an event of this stature. It would benefit the company to employ someone of her stature, of her importance. So this stature, it's talking about a person's importance. It's how they are viewed. It's talking about their reputation. It's talking about what people think about them. It's their level, their reputation, quality or status. But this is something that you achieve is something that grows and grows. The school has grown in stature while he was headmaster. He's a man of surprisingly great stature. Okay, so it can also be the physical size, the degree of development. He has the stature of a champion. He's a man of great moral stature, yeah, great intellectual stature, importance, standing, prestige, reputation, repute. So, the orchestra has grown in stature. He was a musician of world stature. His stature as an art critic was tremendous. It's more than his physical stature that makes him remarkable. Okay, his political stature has increased during the crisis. Time has devalued his stature as a playwright. It's a team unrivaled in stature. He grew in stature during the political campaign. The election result enhanced the party's stature. Okay, so their reputation, their importance. This comes from Latin, statura, stature, meaning size. Stature. This is a good word. I think I'm going to give it 5.5. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality, but I think you could use it anywhere, although it's a touch more on the formal side. So, stature. Bye for now.